Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Claudia Ray and today I'm going to be running you through a tutorial on how to complete your KYC here at ThinkCapital. Completing the KYC verification here at ThinkCapital is essential for maintaining security and ensuring compliance. So here's a detailed step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process with our Sumsub-powered verification system. Step 1 is preparing for verification. Start by logging into your ThinkCapital account and select Begin KYC Verification. You'll need a clear webcam or mobile camera, a valid ID document, and a recent proof of address document. This is a crucial process, so make sure we get it right. Step 2 is taking a clear selfie. For the initial identity check, make sure that you're taking a selfie in a well-lit room. Make sure that your face is fully visible and not obstructed by any shadows or glare, and avoid wearing any glasses or hats that could cover your features. Step 3 is submitting your proof of identity. For proof of identity, select a valid legal ID document, such as your passport, your driver's license, or a national ID card. If you follow these guidelines carefully, then you can avoid receiving one of these common rejection reasons, some of which include the entire document must be visible with all four corners showing. Hold the document at an angle if needed to avoid any shine or glare. The document must be current and unexpired. Upload both the front and back of your document if applicable. Read the accepted document list for guidance. An invalid ID type like a library card will not be accepted. Step 4 is uploading your proof of address. Your proof of address must be a recent document, preferably dated within the past 3 months, but no older than 6 months. This can be a utility bill or a bank statement. To ensure smooth approval on this step, make sure that all four corners of your document are visible. If you are using a PDF for this step, make sure that you upload the entire document with all pages included. Do not submit screenshots or images that have been edited. Altered documents, even if numbers are blacked out, may lead to rejection. Ensure that your full name and your address are fully visible. Step 5 is reviewing your submission carefully. Before you hit submit, double check all your images to make sure that they meet the requirement. Many KYC issues arise from minor errors that are easy to fix, such as ensuring all parts of the document are visible and capturing images in better lighting to avoid any shadow or glare. And step 6 is your submission will either be accepted or rejected. If your document is rejected, carefully read the error message for guidance. Sometimes a simple retake with better lighting and positioning can fix the issue. However, if the issue persists, revisit the checklist and make sure that you've met all the requirements. And you can always reach out to ThinkCapital support for further assistance if the issue remains unclear. By taking the time to follow these detailed steps carefully, you can complete your KYC verification process smoothly. And that's us. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention in detail to helping ThinkCapital maintain a secure and compliant trading environment.